If you're thinking about using SocialBee for social media management and analytics, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Stick around until the end as we compare it to competitors so you can make a better informed choice. The first thing you should know is that SocialBee offers a versatile platform perfect for small businesses and growing brands. It lets you schedule, post, and analyze your social media activity all in one place with support for multiple platforms. But when compared to competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite, it's often considered more affordable, especially for smaller teams. Next thing is its content categorization feature. SocialBee lets you organize posts into categories, which makes it much easier to plan and manage your content calendar. This is a huge plus if you handle different types of posts for your brand, but when you compare it to other tools like Sprout Social, the categorization feels a bit more basic, lacking the same level of automation for content types. The third thing is automation options. With SocialBee, you can schedule posts in advance, but it's worth mentioning that it doesn't have the same advanced AI-driven post suggestions that tools like MeetEdgar offer. If you're looking for a tool that proactively suggests content, SocialBee's functionality here is limited. The fourth thing is the analytics feature. SocialBee does provide some basic metrics for tracking the performance of your posts, but compared to top competitors like Later or Buffer, SocialBee's analytics can feel somewhat lacking in depth, especially for larger businesses that need detailed insights. Another important aspect is its user interface. SocialBee's interface is fairly easy to navigate, even for beginners. However, it can sometimes feel a bit cluttered when compared to simpler platforms like Planoly. If you want a clean, minimalistic dashboard, SocialBee might take a little getting used to. Next thing to consider is its pricing structure. SocialBee has several pricing tiers, but it may still be more expensive than other tools with similar features, especially if you need additional users or advanced features. Competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite may offer more affordable plans with fewer limitations. The sixth thing is its integrations. SocialBee supports a wide variety of social media networks, but it doesn't integrate as seamlessly with third-party apps like Zapier as some of the other players in the market. If you're relying on integrations for advanced workflows, this could be a deal breaker. Another key point is SocialBee's content curation capabilities. It allows you to curate and share content from other sources, but it's not as advanced as tools like BuzzSumo or Karada, which specialize in content discovery and aggregation. If content curation is a major part of your strategy, you might want to look elsewhere. The eighth thing is customer support. SocialBee provides customer support, but users have reported that response times can be slow at times. When compared to competitors like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, which have more extensive support resources, SocialBee falls a bit short in this area. The ninth thing you need to know is its client management features. SocialBee allows you to manage multiple client accounts within one dashboard, which is great for agencies. However, this feature could use more customization options, especially when compared to competitors that offer more robust client management systems. Next thing is its post recycling feature. SocialBee allows you to reuse posts, which is great for evergreen content. However, when compared to tools like MeetEdgar, SocialBee's post recycling system feels a bit less intuitive and doesn't offer the same level of automation for repetitive content. The 11th thing is its content approval system. SocialBee offers some collaboration features, but its content approval system is not as robust as some other tools. If you're working in a team with strict review processes, this might be a limitation compared to other options like Sprout Social, which offers more granular approval workflows. Finally, SocialBee offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out before committing. While this is nice, it's not as long as some competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite, which offer longer trials or free plans with limited features. So, is SocialBee a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice for social media management, especially for small businesses and brands on a budget. However, if you want a better solution with more advanced features and greater ease of use, check out our recommended tool, which you can try for free with no strings attached.